As a business, you have lots of data. Data stored in databases, data generated by your own hosted or custom software, data stored in the cloud and in spreadsheets. You have data. The question is, how are you maximizing its value? Who could make better decisions if they had access to that data? Your internal team? Your customers? Your partners? The BI industry is dominated by very large software vendors, all with high-pressure sales pitches and complex implementations. But buying BI software doesn't have to be expensive and hard. Introducing Yearby. Yearby is a self-service business intelligence platform, which just means it's easy to use and powerful. Plus, Yearby is affordable for the smallest to the largest business. Best of all, Yearby's packed with powerful features. Codeless report building, interactive real-time or in-memory cache dashboards, robust data visualizations, multi-tenant data level security, and interface that can be styled to your brand, dashboards, reports, and report building that you can embed inside your own software, and behind the scenes, a full API for seamless integration. So whether you're a software developer looking for embedded analytics or a booming business looking to satisfy the data needs of your team, Yearby is the BI platform that will help you bring your data to life.